Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our new arrivals. This is an absolutely gorgeous 2021 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, point out some of the cool options. This one has a gorgeous gel coat. That looks really nice with the white and the black canvas. This one's powered by our big 300 V8. Excellent horsepower to weight ratio. Incredible torque on this and very good technology. Been very happy with these motors. So there's some cool features on the 250 SDX. This one does have it's a sea deck type product, which is kind of cool. It's an option from the factory, and it actually snaps up. So a little bit easier to maintain than your traditional carpeting. But you can have a lounger. You can have this lounging this way, for also aft, and this whole seat goes forward on these tracks right here, so it gives you additional seating in the back if you'd like it. Plus you've got storage underneath this, and then once you slide the seat up, there's storage underneath that area as well. Built-in battery charger. This one's got the nice arch right here. This one literally just came in, so it hasn't been rigged yet. On our starboard side, plenty of room here. Fusion stereo remote in the back. Storage underneath all of our seats, and once again, for comfort and things along that line, you can have this seat here or have it facing forward. Same thing with the port side seat. Here on the dash, we have our Simrad GPS chart plotter. All your gauges come up on that. Cool Fusion stereo. And this one has your head compartment right here and a small little cabinet, if you will. Great for storage. There's your porta potty right there with dockside discharge. And what they've done for more interior space, your walkthroughs on the port side, and they've kind of squared the bow off a little bit to give you more seating up here. So very comfortable for your passengers. This one also has your cockpit and tonneau cover. You're going to have a bimini top as well. So to recap, 2021 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. Boat's located here at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks again for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.